Hello, in this video I am with the Tecno Camon 18 Premier and I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for this device. So first of all, let's focus on the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. Take a look. When you click on the volume up or volume down, you can just take the photo. When you click and hold one of this button, we can take the series of the photos, but we have to turn off this HDR option. So take a look one more time. Okay, there's also the flashlight, the same. So turn off these options, and right now when you click the button, you are going to take 20 photos in each series. You can also click on the screen and then you can decrease or increase the brightness level manually. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screens. On the screen, when you want to change the color and the temperature, you have to click on the right upper corner and you will find some filters. As you can see right now, they appear on the screen and that's how they work. Next, we can also go to the settings where we can find all the useful options. For example, we can get rid of the shutter sound, and we can also enable detach photography. So take a look right now. When I go back, I can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. We can also take photos by using this fingerprint sensor that is located right here. So we have to click on this fingerprint sensor as a shutter and take a look right now. I'm gonna put my finger here and the photo is also taken. You don't have to press this button, you can just put your finger on it. Next, if you want to use like other modes, you have to swipe up and you can open menu with all of this advanced modes. So if you want to take, for example, the photos with the more details, you have to pick this Ultra HD mode, and right now with this mode we can take 64 megapixel photos. Now just wait for the post-processing, and as you can see, that's the photo taken with the 64 megapixel mode, and thanks to this mode we can just get more details on our photos. When you swipe up for the second time, you can also find other modes. That's actually a very common mode, like time-lapse, slow motion, the panorama mode. That's also the short video mode. That's also super night mode. So there's honestly nothing interesting, but the Ultra HD is definitely useful. And I guess maybe this AR shots will be also useful to create some 3D avatars. So we have to turn the selfie camera and then just take a look in the front selfie camera to add this avatars. And yeah, honestly, that's all camera tips and tricks for this device. Hope you like it.